So let's continue with our discussion about dividing decimal. So this time, we are going to divide by 10. So here, example, what is 45.87 divided by 10? How to divide decimals by 10, 100, and 1000, or so on. So here's what you're going to do. To divide decimals or mix decimals by 10, 100, or 1000, you just have to move the decimal point of the dividend to the left depending on the number of zeros of the divisor. So basically, you don't need to divide manually or you do the process of dividing. You just have to move. That's a way. The divisor is 10, 100, or 1000. You just have to move to the left depending on the number of zeros of the divisor. So we have 45.87 divided by 10. We need to move to the left one move because the number of zeros of 10 is just 1. So from 45.87, here's the decimal point. Move here one place. The answer now is 4.587. Next, what if you're going to divide 0.1, 0.01, or 0.001? So, to divide decimals or mix decimals by 0.1, 0.01, or 0.001, you just have to move the decimal point of the dividend to the right depending on the number of digits after the decimal point of the divisor. So we have here 94.5 divided by 0.1. So move, how many move? We just have to move one place because there's only one digit after the decimal point. So 94.5, move to the right, 1. The answer now is 945. Next, let's have more examples. What is 85.9 divided by 10? So if it is 10, you move the decimal point of the dividend to the left. How many move? Just 1. So we have 85.9. Move one place because there's only one zero of 10. One move. So the answer now is 8.59. Next, what is 167.95 divided by 100? Again, it's still the same. It's still 100, so you just have to move to the left. How many move? It has 2 move from the decimal point. Here, 2 moves to the left since there are 2 zeros. So we have 167.95, 1, 2. The answer is 1.6795. Next, what is the value of n in the equation 1537.95 divided by 1000? So still the same. It's still, you're going to move the decimal point of the dividend. How many moves? We have 1, 2, 3 moves since there are 3 zeros. So we have 15379.97. Move 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point is not here. Here, it's already here in between 1 and 5. Okay. There. Next, what is 1.87 divided by 0.1? So in this given problem, the divisor is 0.1. If it's 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, you have to move to the right depending on the number of digits after the decimal point of the divisor. So as you can see, there's just only one number of digits after the decimal points. We just have to move one place to the right. We have 1. Therefore, the answer is 18.7. So, no need to divide. Do the process of dividing. You just have to move to the left or to the right. Now, next, what is 12.5 divided by 0.01? So, in this given problem, we just have to move to the right. How many moves? 2 moves to the right since there are 2 digits after the decimal point of the divisor. So we have 12.5, 2 moves. We have 1, 2. Since there is no number in between here, you just have to add 0. Therefore, the decimal point is not here. it's already here. So the answer is 1,250. Next, what is 0.365 divided by 0.001? So how many move from the dividend? From the decimal point of the dividend, we need to move 3 moves. We have 1, 2, 3, since there are 3 digits after the decimal point of the divisor. So we have 0.365, 1, 2, 3. The answer now is 365. No need to add zeros before the 3 since it's already a whole number. So again, if you are going to divide 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and so on, you just have to move the dividend, the decimal point of the dividend to the right, depending on the number of digits after the decimal point. And then if you're going to divide 2, 10, 100, 1000, and so on, you just have to move the decimal point of the dividend to the left, depending on the number of zeros.